Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys. Wow, all are nice and beautiful and all are serially parked here. Now I will hand drive all of these vehicles with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a DS car. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this DS car. This one is red and black color combination. And now I will hand drive this army helicopter. Wow friends, I parked here beside this DS car. See this one color is gray and green color combination army helicopter. And next one is a tourist bus, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here beside this army helicopter. See this tourist bus, this one is red and black color combination. So friends, now we will hand drive this truck on Baco. Wow friends, I parked here beside this tourist bus. See this truck on Baco, this one is yellow and black color combination. And next one is a Spider-Man car, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here beside this truck on Baco. See this Spider-Man car, this one is yellow, black and white color combination. Wow friends, so now I will hand drive this big size army tanker lorry. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this Spider-Man car. See this one color is green and black color combination, big size tanker lorry. See friends, there is a last one is power tractor. I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here beside this tanker lorry. See this big tractor, this one is yellow, black and pink color combination. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand drive and serially parked here. Wow, all are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.